bikers, welcome to your favorite show Style Cushion. Today I'm going to take you to a store where you will sense the authenticity of Indian culture served in various ways. So here we are at Pratha at Andheri West, Yari Road. Pratha was started by Nalini Narayan in December 2012 at Andheri West. Pratha conceptualizes on bringing handmade traditional clothing and accessories from various parts of the Indian subcontinents.
The concept was basically we wanted to get brands like Cottons and Bandage and Bodhi, which we currently stock, into this area, wherein we wanted to give a one-stop kind of a shopping place to all the people living in this side. You know, eventually now at this stage I see a few stores which are mushrooming into this area, but when we started a year ago, there was nothing here of this kind. So it was the only one which had this ethnic wear, and it was a combination of Indo-Western, wherein we have, you know, kurtis or dresses or anarkalis, and it's a mixture of all sorts of things. Plus we had footwear, plus we had jewelry, we kept a little silver, we kept bags. So we made it a place wherein, you know, like we get customers who are actually completing their outfit.
I live in this area, so I keep coming here on and off, like to check the stock, and I've bought earlier from here also. I think, you know, people who are on the little heavier side can also look very beautiful in nice handloom ethnic wear. So you can just club it, make it into a fashion wear and a fusion wear.
Pratha houses an eclectic collection of clothes including traditional Indian wear and Western wear, ranging from salwar kameez, kurtas, patiala dupatta sets, stoles, tops, shorts and whatnot.
We have kurtas which are like sleeveless, long and sleeveless short kurtas, and these can go very well with skirts and patialas, churidars. So this is again for a slightly younger age group. Then we have shorts. These shorts again, you can use it like a casual wear, you know, again in cotton. So whatever you find in the store will be mostly in cotton and handlooms. Right here we have something which is like a short length tops which go well with jeans, but it is more for a lady. Even girls wear it, but ladies prefer these, whereas girls prefer something which is like a fitted thing, which is, you know, these are more like loose fitted clothes and very wearable to work with your trousers and jeans and all. It looks good. The next shelf is the dupattas. Now dupattas are a mix of chiffons, silks, bandhanis, chanderis, kotas. So it's a mix of handloom dupattas and the regular dupattas. Then we have patialas, and as I told you about these pants, these are ijars, nusrat pants, straight pants, peasant pants. These are the anarkalis. Again, in anarkalis, we have different styles. There are sleeveless anarkalis, there are anarkalis like, and then there are angarakhas.
I do live around here only.
And I do come here. I always see the shops, so I do come here. This is my third visit, I think. First I had come, but I had not picked up anything. The second time I had come to pick things for my niece, and I liked what she had worn, so I just saw the sale again, so I came again to see it. I like the stuff, nice cotton stuff. I like cotton basically.
Pratha brings in well-established brands like Cottons, Bandage, Bodhi, etc. to your doorsteps. They also have jewelries from Rajasthan and bags and jackets from Kutch and also embroidery potlies.
So these bags are primarily from Kutch, and if you look at them very carefully, you can see the different kinds of embroidery, because there are different villages which do different kinds of embroideries. So if you see, the jacket has a very different kind of embroidery and the bag would have a different kind of embroidery. Even in the same bag, right now we don't have a huge variety because we've sold a lot of pieces. You'll see different kinds of embroideries there. Then we have these kind of potlies which are in silk and brocade. These go very well with the formal attires, like the anarkalis and the saris. Most of the time when ladies have to attend a wedding or a reception or something, they like to wear these kind of potlies along with their clothes. They match it with their clothes. And this is something that we custom make also. If somebody tells us that we want a particular color. Okay, so these bags. So they are again from Kutch, and they have been done by Khamer, and they're buffalo leather primarily, and comes in very vibrant colors like a yellow, red, pink. Then we have peacock blue. I mean, like, the colors are very vibrant, which matches and goes very well with our footwear, you know. Maximum utility of these kind of bags is something, you know, you can wear it to work as well as for a casual look when you want something nice and vibrant. And for these kind of bags, I would recommend it more for a casual look. But they're really in, because the teenagers, the college going girls, and they really like to wear these kind of bags and go, because it can take in a book, it can take in a wallet, it can take in a lot of stuff. It has a zip, you can close it from the top, so it's safe. So it can actually complement your attire a lot. I think the youngsters have really liked it, and we come with a variety in which there are long handles. You can use it as a sling bag, and so there's a lot of variety which comes.
Hi, I'm Sanjukta. I'm a friend of Nalini who owns this Pratha store, and I've been coming here quite often. Most of our friends, we come here, usually here all the regular wares and everything are very nice.
The material also is very good, nice and soft. Yeah, definitely, why not? It's worth looking at the shop. Yeah, the stuff is really good.
I find it very nice because I'm a person who likes handloom fabric, and I like cotton, I like malmal, so all that are here. Because in Bombay, it's so much of summer all the time. So I think this place, you get the right blend of fabric.
Fashion keeps changing, but something which stays on is the ethnic wear. Pratha, the concept store, represents traditional roots of rich heritage of India. One must definitely pay a visit. Well, that was all for today. See you next time. Till then, bye-bye.